picture of Governor Butterface on the mask. So look at my Twitter.
As the Black Lives gaining traction in the wake of the George Floyd murder, Quan McLaurin from Liberty University social media channels.
Looks like over the fucking speed limit, Chief. Why are you driving over my?
I'm not driving over the speed limit. I'm doing 55. My dash
cam
cam will reflect I was doing 55. You got? Are you a cop? Are you a cop?
What is your problem, dude?
Are you a cop?
What is your problem?
I don't have a problem.
Okay, so it's 55 in the work zone.
I was doing 55.
So why did you put your lights on, man? Why did you tell me
Because
to fuck
your
off?
bright ass lights were blinding me.
This is my job site.
You're not a cop.
I'm recording this job site right now.
I'm recording this conversation.
That's fantastic. I'll tell you what. I got your license plate number. I'm going to go ahead and report you to the sheriff in frickin' Glasscock County.
To the sheriff?
Yeah, this is
Go
the sheriff's
ahead.
project. Okay.
Is he going to issue me a citation by proxy?
No, but he'll freaking look out for you, brother.
Is that right?
That's right.
Excellent.
You like my card?
You making threats? Yeah,
You
give
like
me
my
your card,
card?
son.
To work on more religious writing, but his disciples continue to travel, and they form a group known as the God-worshipping society. There's an interesting sociological aspect here because a lot of his original followers are Hakka people, the ethnic group Hakka, just like he is, and they have a relatively lower position in Chinese society. So this is a message. And then he has the revelation that the demons in this vision are actually begins pushing people to violence. And this marks the beginning of one of the bloodiest civil wars in Chinese history. Within 2 years, Hong and God-worshipping society captured the city of Nanjing. There's a rebellion taking place, folks. Hundreds of thousands of people are overthrowing the social status quo.
Yeah, and here's the thing too. Han really starts doubling down with his speaking with God kind of angle, where he believes that he has been sent by God as the son of God, because he is a son of God. He's not Jesus; he's his other son. He's the younger brother of Jesus, and he is here to change the very course and nature of Chinese society based on the Word of God and what he wants. So all of